These are all birthday presents. I got 3 balls. 1 is from Carl, 2 is from my sister Dee Dee. We are going to open Carl's first. Okay. We remember the list. Don't even need to look at it. Let's start with the person, per usual. Let's see, Carl. Here we go. Let's take a little. Blue shoes. I don't know if that's promising. But do you know who it is, Carl? This is actually very on brand for you, Carl. Klay Thompson! Klay Thompson! We know how Carl feels about Klay Thompson. And Carl got me a Klay Thompson for my birthday. That's awesome. Because that is actually one that I wanted. Let's get this open. Card, sticker, court, ball. Awesome, Carl. Thank you. Next here we have my sister Dee Dee. She has 2 shots here for balls that she bought me for my birthday. I hold her to higher standards, you guys know. Dee Dee, I hope you were able to get this done for my birthday. As always, let's get about the shoes. Hold on, ready? Pink shoes. That's not promising, Dee Dee. One we already have, too, Dee Dee. Well, actually, we don't have this color one, so this is fine. But, Dee Dee, you are not on a good streak with me, girl. Luckily, you have one more chance. SGA. Let's go ahead and see the court card ball sticker. Enough of that. Let's get into the second one. Last chance, Dee Dee. Come on, let's make it the last one again. This series doesn't need to continue. This series can be put to bed. Put to sleep.
Ooh, that was nice.
Here we go, Dee. Person first. I'll do shoes first again. Green shoe. Promising, Dee Dee. Promising. Ready? That would be Victor Wembanyama. Very cool pull, though. I love those shoes. Not Damian Lillard, but not going to complain because this one's kind of cool. Wemby. Got a little bit of upchuck on his jersey. Oh, Dee Dee. What are we going to do with you, Dee Dee? Cool. Well, Dee Dee, your job's not done. We got to continue the grind, okay? This is a birthday gift from Carl. It is a Whose Cat Am I? Here's all the styles. My personal favorite, Lucky 4 here. I like them all. Obviously, I'd love to see what the mysteries are. That's my favorite, though. Let's get this thing open. Never seen this, never heard of this. Don't know how to properly open this. It is sealed inside. Let's keep this here for reference. Ooh, white. Might be. Let's look at this again before we look at it. Could be this one. Could be this one. Could be this one, maybe. It's big. Woo, kitty. Angry kitty. Let's see what kitty this is. I believe this is Puff, right? But they don't have eyebrows. Hold on. Puff doesn't have... You look at Puff here. Puff doesn't have eyebrows, and this isn't Puff's... Oh, wait. This is Puff's. I think this is Puff. Well, it doesn't have the same eyes of Puff. Actually, this is not Puff. This is not Puff. Is this a surprise? Look at it, guys. It kind of looks like Puff, right? But Puff doesn't have the same eyes and eyebrows. So either this is a random Puff or this is a surprise. What do you guys think? Oh no, this is definitely Puff. Look at this. A little... Oh yeah, it's Puff. I didn't see this in there. This is Puff. Awesome. How cute. Thank you, Carl. I love Puff. As I throw Puff. Thank you. Next, we have a lockers that came from Vera. All the way from Washington. Remember, it's 3 lockers, and there's stickers in here that I'm not going to touch because the stickers give them away. I put the character sheet and the stickers to the side so I don't look at them, so I don't want to spoil it. Of course, we got the bench and the water cooler. And let's get into these lockers. First locker. That will be... Ooh, Aaliyah Edwards. Nice with the yellow braids. On brand for her. Ooh, Kelsey Plum. Nice, that one's cool. Next. Ooh, AT. Grandma. Mad because she didn't win that championship. Awesome lockers. Those are actually 3 great pools. Thank you, Vera. We can stack them up now. Thank you, Vera. And thank you, Jose. This is regular Teeny Mates from Carl. Ooh, pulled that one right open. So I'm going to try to reach in and grab the packaged one. Without accidentally pulling the other one out. Okay. Red, that looks like 70 Dolson, I think this is. Let's see. Yep. Dolson, there it is. Awesome. Washington. Good pool, Carl. Now let's see who your loose one is. Just... Paige Beckers! Yes, Carl. You did it. Paige Beckers. Right next to herself. Good job, Carl. Thank you, Carl. Love it. Awesome! Next, we're going to open an Almost Hidden The Monsters from Pop Mart from my sister Dee Dee. For my birthday. Do I have to keep saying for my birthday? I think we all understand this is a birthday vlog. Opening birthday gifts. Okay, well, excuse me, I didn't even look at our options. Very rude, actually. Okay, we got a cactus, mailbox, bread bag, spray can, treehouse, flash, traffic light, flower pot, fire hydrant, sculpture, lamp, canned pineapple. Wow. Honestly, these are all awesome. I can't see a bad option here. I'll have to say my favorite, though, flask and spray can. But honestly, bread bag, like, they're all good. Treehouse, like, Pop Mart doesn't know how to miss. Oh, I think that was a spoiler in there, so let's not do that. They're hard figures. Ooh, I think it's spray can. One of my favorites. Yes. Throwing that on the ground, too. Can't keep anything in my hands right now. Awesome. This is much bigger than I thought it was going to be. It's like half of my hand size. That's awesome. Awesome, baby. Here I am again with my awesome. Can't stop saying it. Apparently, it's my favorite word. Apparently, oh, a snack from Pop Mart. Thank you, Pop Mart. Awesome card. I said awesome like 50 more times. Next from DD, we are opening Wings of Fire. Vera actually bought me one of these too. I opened it off camera yesterday, and I got this one, which is Starflight. So now that I have Starflight, I really want Tsunami here or Glory, but I like all of them because I like this black one too. I already have Clay, so I'd rather not it be Clay, but if it is, Clay can have a twin brother. But Glory, Tsunami, probably the two I want the most. Though I see, you know, it's hard because you like pick the ones you like, but then you see the other ones, you're like, oh, they're still cute too, though. None of them are ugly. This one looks to be red. Whoa, what one was that called? This one was Queen Scarlet. Awesome. No duplicates. Now I got triplets. Next from DD, we have the SpongeBob SquarePants Hidden Dissectables. Super edition, so it's all of the superheroes. So we got SpongeBob, Patrick, Sandy, Squidward, Man Ray, the Dirty Bubble. Then you got your Ultra Rares. That's all obviously SpongeBob, Sandy, and the Bubble, but a different kind of them. I've seen a lot of these in a lot of different like cartoons. I've never had one though. It's very lightweight. Oh, Krakatoa! That's awesome. He's got his little intestines out. Krakatoa! Carl's gonna love that one. Add it to the soundboard, Carl. What's in the box? Oh, just QR code and whatnot. Then we got Captain Schmegma. No, I mean Captain Magma. What's this? Oh, stand for him. Awesome. How's it go? Like this, like so. Mother of pearl. Is that how he's supposed to go? Or like, what the heck? What the heck? Oh, hold on. Pause. Awesome. Awesome. Next. DD. Let's see. Nothing shiny. Nothing shiny. Let's run through it. Speed run. Shiny. KD. Ooh, Zach Edey. That's actually a nice one. Let's turn around. Awesome. And on the Wimby. Thank you, Didi. For the next birthday gift, we have this that Carl gave me. Let's get this thing open. Here's the big one versus the small one. This one's like scratchy. 4 packs. Start with this one.
Here we go. Candy. Sounds sick.
Second pack. Sandwich.
Ooh, I like that one.
Third pack.
Ooh, that one's cute.
Something cool back here. Whoa, that's awesome. The stars. Awesome. Last pack. Awesome. Thank you, Carl. Here's your best card again. Next thing we're opening, Donruss Mega Box 2024-2025. My sister got this for me. Let's open it up. That's the one that's getting open first. So let's grab it. Ooh, Brianna's gonna like this one. Ready, Brianna? It's gonna be shiny. No? Not two shinies in a row? Man. This one's upside down. Ooh, that one's nice. Another good Zach Eady.
A lot of directions here.
Russell Westbrook. Shiny. KD. Magician. That's awesome. I have a couple of these different cards. I like those ones. Look, guys. Woo! SGA Bomb Squad. That is awesome. Hold on, let's take a second. Oh, I love these cards.
Sleeving it. Oops, had to take a few with me. I saw.
Ooh, numbered. Okay. 59 out of 75. Franchise features. Rookie. How nice. Sleeving it. Ooh, back-to-back numbers. What is that? 70 out of 75. Another rookie. Back-to-back numbers. Perfect. Guess what? Sleeving it. I couldn't help but notice I haven't got Damian Lillard yet.
Carl Buck.
Ooh, another bomb squad. It's Kevin Durant. KD. Bomb squad. I love the bomb squads.
Carl Buck again. Sleeving it. For me, Curry.
Last pack. Give it a kiss. You kiss Curry's head.
Carl Buck.
Oh, this one should be shiny, huh? Yeah, we did get a shiny Nikola. Now Brianna will like this one. Ooh, it's coming out of his armpit. How awesome is that? Giannis. Franchise features wrong buck.
Pod.
No Damian Lillard, man. But I got some really good cards. Got some good shinies. Got some good bomb squads. And 2 numbered cards. I'd say a successful mega box. We have Trick or Trade, Pokemon, Halloween. And we have Haunted Hoops, basketball. I bought this one for myself for my birthday. And Carl bought this one for me for my birthday. So I'm going to start with the one I bought.
Finish him!
Oops. Now, as we know, I believe in the last video, we opened one of these that my sister bought for me with no Damian Lillard. Let's see if Carl can change the fate of the Haunted Hoops. Or will the Haunted Hoops continue to haunt me?
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
First pack. Should I guess the players? Ready? Let's go Pods, because Pods didn't fail me last time. Oh my god, guys. Pod is just a magnet for me, I guess. And that would be first guess, first dub. Should I retire early? That is the question. Mr. Wilson? Anthony Edwards. I can't help but notice I haven't seen Damian Lillard yet. You still got plenty of time though. But noticing there's a Grady Dick, and why is his legs wide open? I have a lot of songs in my head today. Got one Ariana Grande song that I shouldn't sing on YouTube. Wimby. I know that forehead from anywhere. Oh my god. Luca. I know that forehead, man. Loss of my life. Moving past it. Not gonna think about it. Wow, LeBron James. Josh Giddey. Oopsies. I grabbed 2 in 1. That would have been such a good sweat, too. We would have been like, oh my god, it's a buck. I hope it's Damian Lillard. Luca, go sit with your brother. Anthony. Look what you've done, Anthony. Look, it's not your fault, Anthony. I'm not mad at you. Ooh, that scared me. Jason Tatum. I know that forehead. I know that forehead. Make room. Glorilla. He is, in fact, in love with Glow. Come on. Awesome. Wimby? Oh my god, Carl. Oh my god, Carl. Go sit with your brother. We'll just cover his brother up. No Damian Lillard, Carl, but hit after hit after hit after hit after hit. Haley Van Lith. I couldn't help but notice there's no Damian Lillard, Carl, and this is your last pack. You got 3 chances. And there's one of them. 2 of them. 2 of them right there. Oh, and it's blue, Carl, so you didn't get a Damian Lillard, but good pack, though. Let's look at your best cards here. Pretty sweet, if you ask me. Especially... Hold on. I just stopped making the video. I was looking at some of the cards, and I can't help but notice how idiotic I am. Because if we look at this Wemby card, guys, I did not even notice this is numbered. 66 out of 399. I didn't even know you could get numbered in the Haunted Hoops. But here it is, a numbered Wemby. That is amazing. Happy birthday to me. Oh, we have more birthday gifts from Brianna and Chad. Starting with another WNBA. Teeny Mates. I ripped it too far. Angel Reese again. Hello, Angel Reese. She's gonna battle herself. Blonde hair. Cam Brink. So release her from her jail. Cam Brink. Awesome. We have another Ballers, another chance at Damian Lillard. Now we have Brianna in the mix. This is Brianna's first ball she has picked out. Ready? Okay. Man. Ha ha. It's Kawhi. Select. This will be my last chance on birthday gifts for a Damian Lillard. And if this goes no Damian Lillard, that means nobody's boxes got me a Damian Lillard.
Share the game.
Of course, Brianna got her, picked herself out. And Nicola. Interesting tactic here. I see you.
That was cool. Kyrie.
I see you, Brianna, but I do not see a Damian Lillard, and this is our last pack. Come on, Brianna, don't let me down. Ooh, Derek Lively. I like that one. It's not a letdown, but there is no Damian Lillard because this is a Paul George. Womp, 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 womp. But this is awesome. Look at that. Me and Brianna both hit 75 tickets. 125. I just hit the bonus and went straight in there. It's counting my 200 some tickets. Brianna said she was gonna hit a bonus and she hit 25. My bonus was 250. That's the bonus. It has a lip, right? I dropped the ball. Boom, it went straight in the bonus. It's still counting my friggin' points. Awesome. Nobody got me balls for my birthday. Correct balls for my birthday. Damian Lillard's. So I went to the store to do it myself. One of these was in the very back Brianna found. We're in the parking lot. Damian Lillard. There was some open in there too. People are stealing them. Our shoe color is not Damian Lillard. Who is this? It's Anthony!
I'm Anthony Davis. And the next ball is going to be Damian Lillard.
Thank you, Anthony. That makes no sense, because why is the Luka Lakers and the Anthony's Lakers?
Oh, I was thinking that. If this is Series 2, why is he not in a Dallas jersey?
Because they got Lakers Anthony. Oh, they don't have Luka on this one? Well, then why is he on the front? They got Luka on the front, but not on the players list? Is this false advertisement, these balls? This is messed up. Because there's going to be little kids praying for Luka that they're never going to get.
Damian Lillard.
Damian Lillard. Here we go. And another Wemby.
And then they kissed. And they were both boys.
I guess I can't do it myself. Do you think the Damian Lillard even exists?
Maybe it's false advertising.
False advertising. Damian Lillard doesn't exist.
They're trying to get your money.
So that sounded like a fart.
You farted.
That's it for the video, everybody. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed watching me open some of my birthday gifts. Thank you, everyone who got me a gift and celebrated my birthday with me. I really appreciate it, and I really love you guys. Hope you liked it. I will see you.